Okay, guys, I need some ideas here. With the external power supply connected to this, I have nearly no noise when I put the effect on. You can hear no noise, full volume, no noise. Even if I change, no noise. But if I use the same power supply as the pedal board, let me just put this down, see if I don't short anything here, because the bloody positive outside of the thing then. Okay, so now I connected to the same power supply as the pedal board. So now listen to this. A second. Can you hear it? I'm gonna go close to the speaker. So with let me turn this sheet off. It doesn't. So with a different power supply fitting this, there's no noise at all. I did have before, but I mitigated it. But now using the same power supply, this terrible noise. I don't know where this come from. I already saw everything that I could think of. So any help, thank you very much.